Really giving fisherman energy. Maybe that's my look of the year. Okay, I've been trying to do like a WIP Wednesdays type of situation series, whether it's like knitting or sewing or whatever it is that I'm working on, but I haven't had a lot of things to update on. But this week I have a few things on the go. So we finished our balaclava, which is good. I know it looks massive, but it's because it's really slouchy on, which is what I wanted. But yeah, I finished this after ages. The other thing that I'm working on, which I made a lot of progress on yesterday and today, is my Sophie Scarf. I have already knitted one of these, but I didn't really like the yarn that I used. So this is an angora, which is rabbit, and it is the softest, most fluffiest thing. It's so nice. And it's really lightweight. Anyway, I've done my increases and I'm just about to start decreasing. And then the other thing that I've sort of put tools down on for the last few days is a beanie in this sort of like rust red color. I feel like this hasn't been as quick as I thought it would be. It's taken actually a while. Yeah, it basically, I've done all my ribbing and it will fold up like that. And then I'm now knitting the crown. To be honest, I feel like this is one of those projects where the idea of it sounded really good, and now that I'm halfway into it, I'm a bit like, I don't know if I'm really obsessed with it. I kind of want to just start the next thing already. But ain't that always the way? I wonder if I can see what this looks like on. Oh my god, yeah, I can so decrease this now. This is like ready to be decreased. Oh. Just needles coming out of my head. Kind of looks finished if I do this, then it looks complete. It's probably worth saying I'm not using a pattern for this, because apparently I'm allergic to them, so I just don't like using them. I mean, I will for some things, but this I just wanted to see if I could figure it out. And then same with my Sophie Scarf. I did check in about if I was at the right length, and I have done one set too many, but that's fine. I don't mind if it's a little bit longer. The only thing is I don't want to be playing yarn chicken and run out of yarn, but I've weighed it and I've still got over halfway left on this, so I should be okay. But I will flag next WIP Wednesday if I lose the yarn chicken game. Also, these colors look really good together. I wouldn't mind pairing this. Not crazy huge updates. But yeah, I'm hoping by next week I'll have both of these things finished, because I really want to start my next project, and I really want an excuse to go buy new yarn because my birthday is soon and I want to treat myself to some really nice yarn, and I already know what I want to knit, so I told myself I would finish these first before. But yeah, anyway, those are my knitting updates for this week.